Hello everyone, my name is Yogi and today we are covering labeling arpeggios. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, then please click on this add button. Now let's start music theory. So our today topic is labeling arpeggios. In the last video, if you remember, we learned what are the arpeggios that we have already learned in grade 1 also. And in this topic today, we're just going to find out how to find the arpeggios within a given piece. So let's start. Label these one octave arpeggios. You have to find out which arpeggio is it, or is it going down or going up. So let's start. This is treble clef, and this is our first note is F A C. So C, and finishing with a C. So this is, we can find C, D, E, F, G, A. So to find out, we can just write down the notes. C, this is G, this is D, and this is C. This means this is C major arpeggio going up. Okay, now next, find out, let's write down the note name first, so it will be easier for us to know. So this is this is bass clef. Bass clef is G, before G is F, E, and D. So this is D note. So D, so we have let's write down here D, this is F, and this is A, this is again D. So we know D, E, F, G, A. So this is D minor, because D, we have not studied D major yet. So this is, and flat key signature is, that means this is D minor. So D minor arpeggio going up. Sorry, in this one I have written it's going up, it is going down. This is going down. Okay, now next is this is bass clef, key signature is F sharp. So that means either it will be G major or E minor. So let's see, the first note is G. So G, E, F, sorry, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this is G major arpeggio going up, because see, this is the bass clef, and the first one bass clef is, this is G, A, B, C, D, and again G. Okay, next, as you move further, it will be, key signature is B flat, and B flat either is F major or D minor. So let's find out the note. This is treble clef, this is F, this is C, this is A, and this is F. That means this is a F major scale. So F major arpeggio going down. Okay, because this is going down, not up. Last one is, this is again treble clef, no key signature. That means either it's a C major or A minor. Now this is our A note. So this is A, B, C, D, E, and A. So that means this is A minor arpeggio going up. Okay, now let's move further. Now as you move further, we have to now put a bracket to show any complete one octave arpeggio hidden in the music, then name the arpeggio. So we have to find out the arpeggio, then bracket it out. Okay, so for that, to easy you out, let's write down the note's name, so we can find out easier way. Okay, so this is treble clef. So now first of all, to find out which scale it is, just simply check this is flat key signature, so it can be F major or D minor. Okay, and it starts on D, so mostly it should be a D minor scale, but let's check. So this is D, again D, this is A, this is F, and this is D. I think we, so if we have a D, so D, E, F, G, A, B, C, These should be the notes we should have for the arpeggio. So if we find, I think we almost got this A, D, A, F, B, and these are the 4 notes we have. So this is one arpeggio going down. Okay, so let's bracket this one. We got it in the beginning only. So this is our arpeggio which is going down. Okay, yes. Now next is, let's find the next one. So sorry, we have to write it down. This is D minor arpeggio going down. Okay, now the next one, let's find the key signature. This is either G major or E minor. Okay, so if it's on the third, this is bass clef, this is E. I think it should be E minor. So if it is E minor, then we should have for the arpeggio E, we should have notes E, F, G, A, B, and E. So these 4 notes we should have. So this is E, then this is bass clef, this is D, then this is E, F, G, then this is E, then this one we have is B, G, and E. So we should have E, G, B, and E. So I think this is the one which we are looking for, because this is E, G, B, and E. Yes, so this is our arpeggio 1 octave. So let's make a bracket here. Okay, so this is E minor arpeggio going down. Okay, now let's find out the last one. So if you have the last one, this is, you can see sharp again key signature. So again, if there is G major or E minor, and this time this is bass clef, and this is starting on E. I think it should again E minor. So again, if it's E, then we should have E, G, B, and E. Okay, so let's find out. This is E, E, and this is E again, E, F, G, again E, not this. So let's start from here. This is E, this is G, this is B, and then this is again E. So I think we found it here. So this is our last arpeggio. So this is E minor arpeggio going up. Okay, so here we finished this topic. I hope you like it. Now I will see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.